create a geometric sequence whose sixth term, 3, 4, 5, sixth term is 27. There's many answers that are right for this one, okay? Depending on whether you want to use a calculator or not, depends on what you want your R value to be. If this is geometric, that means you're multiplying by something each time until you get to 27. The only number you're not allowed to choose for R is 1. Because if it just stays 27, it's not technically geometric, because geometric should either be increasing or decreasing, not just staying the same. If the rule was multiplying, and you chose 1, and they're all 27s, then you'd say, oh, that's geometric. But you could also argue, that's arithmetic, because what are you adding each time? 0. So it's kind of one of those things that we don't use for arithmetic or geometric, is keeping the same. So in order to create any geometric sequence, you could choose an R value. Does it make sense that if you were working backwards, you would have to divide? So now you have choices. You can make your R value anything you want, okay? Some choices that I think would be good for mental math. I think because 27 is a power of 3, not bad to make R 3. I'll do this one in blue. If I make R 3, then I would divide by 3, I'd get 9. Divide by 3, I'd get 3. Divide by 3, I'd get 1. Divide by 3, I'd get 1/3. Divide by 3, I'd get 1/9. That's not too bad for mental math, okay? I'll do another one in a different color. Let's choose right, because we could choose any R value. I actually think another one that wouldn't be too bad mental math would be a half. Because going backwards then, what's the opposite of dividing by 2? Multiplying by 2. So multiplying by 2 isn't too hard mathematically, but the numbers are going to get pretty big here. This would be 54. This would be 108, 216, 512. Yes? Is that all working out? And then that's right. I think I made a mistake somewhere. Something, oh, this one's not 512. Here we go. This one would be, wow, not even close. This one would be 432. Is that better? Yes, and then 864. I think the 3 number was easier mental math, right? If you had a calculator, you could choose something like 7.8 and figure them all out and have to write all the decimals, which wouldn't be recommended, but you could do that. So this one just says create any geometric sequence. Question for homework on this one is just number 7.